In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Shure MV7 to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Shure MV7 on your laptop. All that you have to do to use it on a laptop is to plug it in using the USB-C to USB-A cable. So since this microphone is not XLR and it is USB instead, all that you have to do is plug it into your laptop by using the provided USB cable. So once you plug one end of the USB-C to USB-A cable into the microphone and another one into your laptop USB ports, you will be able to start using it. So now, once it is on your laptop, you can optionally download the Ammo TIV desktop application, and this will allow you to set up various different settings and options related to the microphone, but this is optional. But in here, you will be able to change settings like gain, monitoring level, and the equalizer. However, like I said, this isn't mandatory to get the microphone to work. Now, all that you have to do is open the control panel, go over to sound, and inside of sound, you will be able to see the playback and the recording devices. Go over to recording, find the Shure MV7, make sure that you enable show disabled devices and show disconnected devices, and as long as the Shure MV7 is enabled and set as the default device, you will be able to use it. So now you can open any game or any application such as Discord, Skype, and so on, and as long as you choose the Shure MV7 as the input device, you will be able to use it. For better audio quality, try experimenting with different microphone placements, and you will be able to plug your headphones directly into the headphone jack on the MV7 if you prefer. Regardless of how you choose to plug them, you will still be able to use the MV7, and it is going to be available as an input device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your MV7 to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.